Facebook, YouTube. Scobie here. I am in Snellville, Georgia. Beautiful day today. And I have a small wax removal. I am in Mr. and Mrs. Morrison's house. And we have a wax removal, small job today. 300 and something square feet. I already kind of got started. And so I'll show you where I am now. I'll walk around this. Couldn't come in the other way because I had already started spraying. So I have this kitchen area right here around the island. And I've already sprayed this. You can actually see it emulsified now. In this area over here. See how dark it is? This is nothing but dirt. So what I normally do is I'll do my entranceway first. That way when I walk out, I'm not tracking anything out. So this is the job I'm doing today. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Stay tuned. All right, folks, these are the end results. I'm putting the second coat on now. Floors turned out fantastic. Not a whole lot to see. I'm putting the second coat on now. All right. See you Saturday with Courtney. Good night.